Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Wilson with Vanco, and today's video is going to be about Vanco's HDMI cable series. The Vanco difference is the braid coverage, the 360-degree metal case around the connector, and the full metal casing, which helps reduce interference. Also, we have gel molding so the connectors won't fall off. Our ultra-slim HDMI cables are thinner, with a more flexible gauge, and with a smaller connector. 4K 2K resolution and audio return channel, this series is our SSHD H1, up to 10 feet in length. Our REDMERE HDMI cables are 25% the size of standard HDMI cables, with active amplification, resolution of 1080p, and audio return channel. These range from 12 feet to 100 feet. Our SuperFlex HDMI cables are the ultimate HDMI adapter. With a flat cable, small connector, one cable adapter solution, this is also a port saver and available in right angle. Our SECUREFIT HDMI cables are available in our Ultra Slim, SuperFlex, and Certified cable offerings. These cables hold up to 7 pounds and are 45% stronger. They have raised points on the connector to snap into your HDMI port. It's a perfect solution for racks and displays utilizing articulating mounts. Our premium HDMI cable testing with our premium HDMI certified cables ensure 18 gigabits per second for HDMI 2.0 and 2.0A up to 30 feet. With advanced EMI testing, these cables are capable of full 4K with HDR. Our Ultra Slim Premium HDMI certified cables offer full 4K with a slim gauge up to 8 feet, capable of passing a 4K signal at 60 Hz refresh rate, 444 chroma subsampling, and HDR. Our Pro Series passes 4K 60 Hz refresh rate, 444 chroma subsampling, 18 gigabits per second, and HDR. With HDMI 2.0 and 2.0A, these lengths range from 1 foot to 25. Our active HDMI cables, the HDAC series, have full 4K up to 50 feet. Amplification and 4K 60 Hz refresh rate with 444 chroma subsampling and HDR. Our fiber cables offer full 4K up to 330 feet with active amplification. These will pass a 4K 60 Hz refresh rate, 444 chroma subsampling, 18 gigabits per second, and HDR. We also have a platinum version available. We also offer an HDMI 4K repeater, which allows HDMI cables to be coupled for longer cable runs. We will be able to pass a 4K signal, 60 Hz refresh rate, 444 chroma subsampling, and 18 gigabits per second with HDR. We also offer a series of 8K HDMI cables, with 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz with your 444 chroma subsampling and HDR. These cables will also support eARC, and lengths range from 1 feet to 6 feet. For more information, please visit us at vanco1.com.